This video explains how to download, install, and use the delightful Gratitude Journal app on your phone. Step 1. Access Google Play on your Android device or the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Select the type of device you are using by clicking or tapping the appropriate button. Step 3. Select the search menu, the small magnifying glass in the top right corner of the screen, by tapping or clicking it. Step 4. Search for Delightful Gratitude Journal. Use your keyboard. Step 5. Click the Install button. Step 6. Explore the app home screen. The name of the app, Delightful, is at the top of the screen. There's also a settings wheel, a daily affirmation, a share option to share the affirmation, and 2 different add an entry options. There's also a calendar. Step 7. Let's explore the settings wheel. So click the settings wheel from the home screen. And on the settings screen, there's a toggle switch button that allows you to turn on and off the daily reminder feature. There's also a spot for you to enter the time of day you'd like the reminder notification to be sent to you. Click the other options to customize the screen display. When you are finished, click the arrow in the top left corner to return to the home screen. Step 8A. Click the share icon right here if you would like to share the affirmation with one of your contacts. So step 8B, this is what it will look like when you share it. So click share to find options for sharing this affirmation with friends. Step 9, add an entry. So you can add an entry to your gratitude journal. You can use either option on the home screen to add an entry. The gray prompts, once you click add an entry, the gray prompts give you an idea about what to type. Click save when you are finished typing all 3 entries. If you only want to enter one thing, that's okay. Click save when you're finished. Step 10. From the home screen, select the calendar icon. You can select a date to see what you wrote on a certain day, or select a date and add an entry. That's it. Now you know how to install the Delightful app on your device, customize the app, and type an entry that describes why you are grateful. To learn more about the app creator, visit the Delightful website at the address posted on this slide.